So let's unbox this first kit here, Downtown Deco. This one is a limited edition kit. It's 347 of 500. But basically, you can see the this Garmin hardware kit. The castings here are pretty much the same as the Front Street flat kit. This section here, I'm not going to be right now. The plan is not to use this section, so I just want to use these castings here and maybe extend it into 4 or 5 panels. So you can see it's all wrapped quite well. Bundle, and this looks like it's shrink wrapped. It's supported with cardboard in between the castings. So this section we have, this is the individual wall casting. This is a back wall. And one large wall section, which is this here. Okay, it looks all to be in good condition. No chips, no cracks. And this is the back wall, which is a flat. Okay, that's it for that section. So also in the box, we have here, looks like some little water tanks, some wire, a couple pieces of styrene, a few more styrene pieces, some styrene base, some window material. These are the door openings, the castings. They're made out of plastic. Got the little plastic pieces. This looks to be a stencil for so you can paint on some of the lettering. You have some black roof material, signage. Just different color signs, some white material, and multicolored signs as well. There's some signs, ones, and extensive instructions. And Randy's very good with Downtown Deco. I've done some of his other kits. How to put them together, and he also usually gives you instructions on painting. Yeah, this is weathering and stenciling and painting the kit as well. So not a whole lot of parts. These the Downtown Deco kits go together quite quickly. That's why I'm able to make a lot of modifications to the kit. And yeah, I'm really pleased with the Downtown Deco kits. You can get really good results in a short period of time. So that's it for the unboxing. This one is pretty much the same sort of castings inside, so I won't bother going through that. So I've taken all the components out of the box and I've started to lay them out here and come up with a configuration that I like. You can see this component here. This is the main side of the building here. I had 2 of those because I have the 2 different kits, and this one I've already taken. I've cut it off. I've cut it off this panel here, and I think I'm going to attach it onto this so that I have a larger window section. And I think I'm going to cut this one off too. This whole panel is a little bit long, I think I want to end at this section right here. So what I've done is I've built a little jig. Basically this jig is just a piece of UHMW plastic with a piece of wood at the bottom, and I have a 90-degree angle here, or 90 degrees to this, so that I can cut and sand these plaster pieces a perfect 90 degrees. So what I'm going to do with this one to first cut it is use a knife and a ruler to first score the plaster a little bit and give me a groove to use my razor saw. So I'm just putting this score right along that corner section of the corner here. So I'm just putting a score right along this line here, and then now I can use, I'm just using this to support it. I'm using just a standard razor saw and use that groove as a guide for the razor saw. Okay, so nice. And then now I'll just use a straight file, clean that up a little bit. Now put that one aside. And that's going to fit on there like that. Okay, this piece is going to go here. So that's that section. Now, planning on putting this piece here, I've already cut. This was 2 pieces on there. I did the same thing. I scored along here and separate it because I want to make a recessed section with an overhang similar to this building here. So that's going to go right there. And now I'm going to try and just mock up something right now to see how it looks. I've already measured that to be 3 inches by 11 5/8. So I'm going to try cutting something out, maybe instead of cardboard, and see how that fits in there. Okay, so I think I've finished my layout here. I've cut this piece just out of some foam core. This is basically a mock-up of what I plan to make. I think I'll do it, make a little mold and do it out of hydrocal just so it matches the other pieces here. This is going to sit on this piece. This will go in this orientation. So this is going to sit like this, like that there, so the train can pass underneath, and then there'll be another piece extended on the end. So in total it's about 39 inches, the whole structure. Now it's just a matter of making these 2 pieces out of hydrocal, and I can assemble it all together and flat and start the finishing process. Okay, so I've built a base out of wood. This is the location where the building's going to go. You can see it's along a shelf section that's about 14 inches wide on the upper shelf. There's a station here and the wood base, and it's going to go behind the main line. I've quickly just kind of set some of the pieces in place to see how they're going to look, and I'm going to have a little retaining wall just behind the main line